In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy A57. So all you need to do is simply swipe down for quick settings and then look for the option screen recorder. Once you've selected it, you can now choose the screen recording settings you wish to apply, whether it's a full screen or a partial screen, whether you want to record media and mic, media only or none, and whether you want to show taps and touches. Once you've confirmed all of that, you're going to tap on start recording, wait for the countdown to complete itself, and then it should start screen recording. So now everything that you do on your phone will be mirrored on the screen recording, whether you're opening an app, typing in passwords, all sorts of things. If you want to customize the screen recording, say for example by adding text, you can tap on the pencil icon on this toolbar at the top and then just draw around on your screen. You can change the color of the pencil. To remove it, you're going to tap on the pencil icon again. If you want to add a selfie mirror to video to the screen recording, you can tap on the person icon and it will be added. To remove it, you can tap on the icon again to remove it. If you wish to pause the screen recording, maybe you want to enter in some sensitive information, you can pause. If you want to resume, you can just tap on resume. And when you're ready to stop, you can just tap on stop. Now, in order for you to find your screen recordings, you're going to open up the gallery app, and under pictures, you should be able to see your screen recording. Alternatively, if you don't want to necessarily scroll through the different images to find the screen recording, what you're going to do is simply select albums, and then tap on screen recording, and you should be able to see it listed there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.